What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Gala. As you guys can see, it has slowly started to gain value again. Nothing major, but yes, it has gone above the 5 cents target and has gone up just about 7% in the last 24 hours. We can see it slightly starting to drop back down in value, but we're going to be going through, is it going to pump back up again? Is it going to hit 6-7 cents over the coming hours or coming days? Or is it just straight away going to drop back down in value? I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how far this crypto can go. But as usual guys, before I go into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website and the market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we do have Gala as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Over the last couple of days, it was in the top losers. However, it's finally managed to go into the top gainers list. Hopefully we can see it go up as the number one. But again, as you can see guys, in the last hour it has dropped 5%. After its peak in value, it has dropped in the last hour itself. Over the last day, it's just about 4% up, and we can see it pumped up about 15% earlier. About an hour or two ago, over the week, it has gone up 9%, and over the month it is still a massive 173% up, which is absolutely insane. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has again gone up by 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $586 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Gala, and also a huge increase as well as it has pumped up in value. We are going to be seeing a lot more people investing into it and a lot of people selling it as well. So essentially, the trading volume is going to go up, and it's likely to go up in the coming hours as well, as more and more people get to know about this pump that's just taken place. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala, which at the moment is here in purple, trading at 0.04237. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.05207, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But as usual, before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And also, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we do have two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in the value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Gala to more or less be trading just about the 5 cents target, somewhere in between here. Yes, it may be volatile, we may see a drop down in value, peak back up in value, but towards the end of the day, it's very likely to be trading around the 5 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? So zooming in here, we've got the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Again, of course, the orange line is looking a little bit more steep, meaning it's much more clear that it is going in a positive direction, and the blue line is slanting towards the positive direction, so very minimal. But again, the whole point is that they are both heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say over the next 7-8 days, so towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Gala to be trading around the 7 cents target, guys. Again, we are going to see a dip down in value to around the 4 cents target as well, as I mentioned in yesterday's update. However, the overall outcome towards the end of this week seems to be more on the positive side. So yes, I'm expecting it to head towards the 7 cents target, but should be trading in the higher 6 cents bracket and heading towards 7 cents by the end of this week. However, this may change according to any new updates, new news, and any partnerships, deals that have been announced on any cryptos. But yeah, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So we got the orange line just about slanting towards the positive direction. It's not looking too steep, and so is the blue line as well. So essentially we've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, but they are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal increases in value are expected from Gala over the coming weeks. So let's say by mid to late March 2023, I am expecting Gala to be trading over the 10 cents target. Yes, I did mention it's going to be a slight increase in value or a minimal increase in value, but minimal increases in value every week does add up. So yeah, 10 cents is possible by mid to late March 2023, guys. But again, it depends on how the crypto market performs in specific. As you guys know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. So far it has been performing very well, with Bitcoin nearly hitting 23k, which it hasn't touched in a couple of months. So yeah, so far it's been doing very good, and if it can maintain that pace and maintain that green side for the rest of the year, then we can hit huge numbers, not just on Gala but the whole crypto market in general. But again, crashes and pumps are not expected, so anything like that can have a major impact in a positive or negative way on the crypto market, and of course that includes Gala as well. But as I mentioned, anything like that, guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we are getting closer and closer to hitting the resistance target of the green zone here, and as you guys can see here, the 10 cents target is very close. Again, March is when I'm expecting it to hit 10 cents, and by mid-year we should be heading towards the resistance target here and potentially head into the green zone towards the second half of the year is what my expectations are. And then hopefully we should be able to break out and head into the dark green zone towards the very end of the year. But again, that's only if we have a bullish year this year, how we had it in 2021. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. Has your view changed on this crypto because of the drop that's been taking place over the last couple of days? As you guys can see, it hasn't moved much value wise. It's moved quite a bit in the first 2 weeks of 2023, but ever since about a week now, it's been more or less fluctuating at the current price range. So comment down below, are your targets still the same for the end of the year, or has it changed? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to hit that subscribe button, so why not? And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.